I'm glad you got your PLC Tools Temperature Simulator. I want to give you some quick tips to get you started. Now, the Sim TRTD functions exactly the same as the Sim TRT, only it has two channels. So I'm just going to focus on the TRTD. Here's an example of a typical wiring diagram that you'll see for an RTD. And the PLC Tools temperature simulators are two-wire devices, but usually you still have to pay attention to something about the third wire. And we have videos on the difference between two-wire, three-wire, and four-wire RTDs, and the three-wire setup is the most common. But to simulate a three-wire device, you're going to simply take a wire from each of the two terminals that would be on the three wire and connect it to one of the terminals on the Sim TRT. So in the case of this temperature module, I would have channel 0 plus and then channel 0 minus, and then you would have the sense. And the two wires that I have represented by blue would actually be measuring the resistance of our cabling. And so they'll go to the same connection point on the Sim TRTD. And then wherever I touch the other one to, it will simulate that value. So 1,000, 500, 250, 100. And notice we're actually at 31 here. We're not exactly at 30. And if you notice, there's two slots on the top of it. If you'll take a screwdriver in there, then that cover will pop off. And inside of here, there are some trim pots to adjust these values. To make the temperature go up, I'm going to turn it clockwise. And now we're at 32 degrees. Another complementary device to our temperature simulators is our Sim ALB2 analog simulator that can simulate a 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamp current loop or current source. Click here to purchase it. And also here are some other application examples to help you out.